Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this short video, let's learn about lateral condensation technique. I'm your host, Dr. Naveen Chhabra. At the end of this session, you'll be able to carry out root canal obturation using lateral condensation technique and adequately obtain the coronal seal of the obturated root canal space. This entire session is divided into following 10 steps. Let us learn each step in sequential manner. Once we are done with the master cone and the spreader selection, we can proceed with the lateral condensation in the following steps. Let's talk about the step 1. First step is to dispense the root canal sealer according to the manufacturer's recommendation. The sealer can be either eugenol based or non-eugenol based like resin based sealer or bioceramic sealer. Step 2. Coat the sealer over the entire root canal walls and in a homogeneous manner. It can be done in a manual way or a mechanical way. If you are doing it via manual way, you can use K5, reamer or finger spreader for coating the root canal sealer. Or in case of mechanical, you can use devices like lentillo spiral or bidirectional spirals, which can be attached as low speed hand piece. Moving to step 3. Pick up the selected master cone, coat it with the sealer at the apical area and place it into the canal up to the correct working length. Now place the selected spreader along the side of the master cone and compact it laterally in one direction to create space for additional accessory cones. Make sure your spreader movement is always in single direction throughout the process. Now take out the spreader from the root canal and place the corresponding size accessory cones in the created space up to the equivalent working length. Now repeat the step. Again push spreader, it may reach slightly shorter than earlier length. Compact again laterally to create space for additional accessory cone. And take out the spreader, place the accessory cone in the created space. Repeat the cycle until the spreader is unable to go beyond the coronal third of the root canal space. Once your spreader does not go beyond the coronal third of the root canal space, that means your lateral condensation is completed. Once lateral condensation is completed, it's time to cut the gutta percha at the orifice level. For this, we require a heat carrier. The heat carrier can be electric, like the Cheney device, or a heated plugger or a heated spoon excavator, which can be heated on Bunsen burner. Now condense the severe gutta percha at least 1 to 2 mm below the canal orifice level until gutta percha is dense and flat. This step is very important as it provides adequate density and flat surface to receive the further restoration on top, thus minimizing the possible micro leakage. Thereafter, clean the access cavity with alcohol soap cotton swab. This is very important as it allows complete clean access cavity walls, which will allow better adaptation of the restorative material thereafter. Now finally, restore the access cavity using permanent restorative material. Preferably it should be a bonded restorative like composite restorative resin. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, press the follow button and subscribe to my YouTube channel.